Hi guys, Enda here from TrendSpotting, up $1,800 on Roku this morning on two trades. Let's dive right in. Netflix, Nvidia, Beyond, and Roku this morning. Basically, Netflix and Nvidia just took off and did their thing, so there was no room for me to get in there. Beyond was kind of choppy here and looked like a move was happening here, and I was going to get into this Beyond trade, but what happened was this huge candle, and I always say these big candles, someone else takes the meat of the move. And so if it's more than 30 cents, 30, 32, 35 cent kind of away from the EMA. So this one was, if you think about this here, that was 118.60. This was 119.28, which is 48 cent, not interested. And then I never get in on a falling knife. So I don't get in even if it's green like that on these candles. So this move, even though the arrows are there, you have to use your head a little bit because this green arrow destroyed the move for you. Okay, it took all the money on it. So your entry would have been over here, let's say two in a row, even here, to wait for these two again. Now you could have got in here, it would have been fine, right? Because your exit from that could have been quite short. But anyways, I missed that move. I missed that Beyond move because I took two on Roku. Roku just set up much easier. Okay, so there's the opening bell, there's the two arrows down. We skipped the first move always, got the second move now. So here's this big candle again. So I looked at this big candle and I calculated the distance between here and there, and it was too much. So if you look at that there, that is 131.68, and the open there was nearly a dollar, nearly 90 cent away, about 86 cent or something. So I waited for this next candle. So that was my entry, 937 at 132.30, which was just down in here. And I saw this coming down the wick, but it flicked down, literally flicked, and I missed it. So, excuse me, got in here at 32, was it? 30, and I got out just on the next candle. So what I realized when I was in here was that the whole thing was kind of extended. So I got out as this broke. It was like 80 cent. What happened there, it went up and it came back down, and I saw this wick forming, and I thought it was going to reverse because the wick was forming at the top. So I took 80 cent on that move, basically. 1,000 shares, 80 cent, that was it done, right? So that was the first move. The second move was right after it, you had this short here, okay? So what you have was the two moves. Now, and again, what happened was I was calculating it was 131.35 the EMA, and this opened at 73, so that's about 60 cent away. And I waited and waited and waited, and I just saw it break like 131. I think I got in 130.92. That's where I got in. So it was just kind of a Hail Mary, just got in the door, but it was over in the same candle. That was it. That was $1.11. I took $1 out of it on that candle. So that was $1,000. That was it. Now, I could have stayed in and got that $2.74 move, but I wanted to, like, I have my heart set on 75 cent to $1 from Roku is kind of my thing, well, my new thing, and it's working out quite well. But I almost broke the rules on this one where I just got in because there's that big candle pushing down again, but I still got in, and whereas I didn't on the Beyond one. And this one was fine. Loads of moves as usual. There's Beyond anyways. If you did get into Beyond at all, Beyond is these huge moves here. So look at this here. Beyond up here. Wait for this one. Get in down here. Okay, on the EMAs is the best place to get in. So that's a $5.20 move. Nice and easy. Caught handy by TrendSpotter. Okay. So let's have a look at Nvidia. Nvidia hasn't really done anything. So Nvidia, again, would be the last one I trade. But like technically, look, there's a trade in here. So if you went in here, you would have went short in here or here, depending on. But that's setting up now. You can decide yourself how that trade gets on today. But already it's, what, it's only up 50 cent. So anyways, that's that. And you missed this one because you got to follow the rules, because you don't know where it's going to go, and it could just go up and pull straight down and go against the Psar and all that kind of stuff, which I'm not interested in. And Netflix just hasn't looked back. So that's Netflix for you. Now, Netflix will reverse because it has to. It has to do a pullback of some sort, and even if it's only $1, $1.50, maybe $2, you want something a little bit bigger maybe on Netflix, $2 would be a nice one, so be it. That's the one to go for. That's basically it, guys. $1,800, two trades on Roku, nice and quick. As always, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more info, and if you require a trial of TrendSpotter, click the link in the description. Talk to you in the next one. As always guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more info, and if you require a trial of TrendSpotter, click the link in the description. Talk to you in the next one.